build with torque, not the fork.
Step into my indoor cave gym. Today, we're doing the leg press. Mistake 1. If you lower that stone too far, your hips will round. Stop before your hips round to keep your spine safe. Mistake 2. Don't let those hips lift off the bench. Keep your hips planted firm to drive that weight home. Mistake 3. Never lock your knees and wait, did I just lose my clothes? Maintain a soft lockout at the top to keep the fire in your quads. Mistake 4. Don't lift your heels. Hey, I found my clothes just in time. Let's recap. Stop before hips round, keep hips planted, soft lockout, and heels down. Subscribe for more primal power.